that sound? Start the video. Hey, I am Steve. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be Okay, get on the video.
I got it, Clive.
Is it on the video?
Yeah.
Okay, whoa! I found lava. Oh gosh, and I'm not gonna die. Hey, come on. So hate you, lava. Ooh. And I'm gonna fly. Is that on me?
It's got the, I can see you when you turn around, but it's on the video. So you're playing.
Here, come up here.
I can see it. I zoomed in.
Is it on the video still?
Yes, I promise you, you can see it just fine.
I can't have any things. I have lots of doggies. And we are gonna do this. I'm gonna be crafting in a little bit. Oh, I gotta spawn a wolf. And that doesn't make any sense. I'll just go in here, I put TNT. That's not gonna happen. I'll put spawn wolf. Hey, come back here. You're not supposed to sit. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I'm gonna feed you guys. Okay, let's see. There's my TNT playing. Okay, okay. All I need is, oh, here's the food stuff. So I think they like, oh, they like raw beef. I think they like raw beef better than TNT. Oh, I have a golden apple. Yay, I got a cookie. Now, get it? Oh, that's why you get it. Hey, I get you my tricky. Yes, you're my daddy. Do you have your illusion? Yay! Oh, you love me. Okay, I'm here. Hey. Here you go. And then like this. And like this. Here, like. What do you need? What do you need more? There you go. You love it. Hey, come here. I need to get over. Now we're like it. Oh, it's cute of you. She bored. Shit. That was my sword. Oh, no. Hey, bird. Where are you, you baby? Oh, it's near you. Shit. Give me shit. Hey! Where are you? You are gonna shit. I'll give you some raw beef. There. 4. I'll make you shake.
Did you make this plane?
What plane? Yeah,
Oh.
I did.
I love it.
I gave it to you.
Well, thank you.
I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go in this. I'm gonna go China. And I have an airport. And I'm just gonna there it is. I'm just gonna pickaxe. Oh, there's some stupid sheep that I hate. I can make it. Oh, yay! I found this. Perfect. I'm just scoot through here. Okay, I don't need to go through here, but I'm just gonna, oh, I found a hole. Yeah, I'll just go all the way down. Yeah, oh, that's all the way up. I don't want mine there. It's here. I'm just gonna like. How far is my? I just have to like go on the ground and go for it a little bit. I'm just gonna like. Oh, I just mine for here. I just might go down for this level. Here, come back here. Yeah, it's just like, oh, I think I'm gonna find some redstone. No, that's like, okay, yeah, gee, it's like a long ways to mine. Well, that's a long ways. I should get a ladder. Did I just go like free this?
I think it's on your head. There.
Yeah, that's it. I'll just like mine. Yeah, I'm just gonna like mine. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna like. Oh. I just missed the block. I don't need you. I'm just gonna shovel.
I'm gonna make some coffee quick. Love you.
I'll just like.
I think you should mine in there a little bit and see if you can find a cavern or something below, and we can make an awesome place below it. And we can hook them together and have like a ladder that goes down from the inside.
Yeah, I'm just gonna like mine. Oh! I didn't really do mine for this. I'm like for the grass. It's not just like mine for there. Where did I go? Yay! I'm just gonna. I'll just put that higher. I'll just shovel. I'll find. I need my pickaxe. I'll just mine from here. I'm just gonna like go below. Okay, I want to get out of here. This place is creepy. Like I'm gonna finish mining. And I don't even want to get out of here. I'll just like, sunset. So I just have to go to bed. Go feed my dogs. Yeah, I'll just like go to my house. I gotta get to sleep. I just have to like go to my office. Oh, I should build a cage. I should build a cage.
For the dogs? Or what do you mean?
No, you can't be on the video.
Okay.
No, I'm just gonna like, I have a golden apple. Oh, yay, book and quill. I just need that. Oh, I need that. And I take this away, that way. Hiroshi's really good. I gotta see what this is real quick. Oh, here's another map. And it's the same map. Or it's just like, I'll take my map away. Map. It's okay. The kind of thing that we don't know, but that's gonna be okay. Where's P? I need to find P. This is like a different level. Okay, let's see, Liberty. Oh, Liberty map. Empty map. I need that. Liberty. Why does this drowning. Like, I just don't know what to do. Oh. Oh, there's a big lake. Yeah, I just need like a diamond. Okay, diamond pickaxe and a diamond thingy. Hey, let me see if I'm out. I'm in. What? What does this have to do with this? Yeah, I'm out. It's I'm gonna look for one of these that gets it. I'm just gonna like get some. Oh, there we go. Get my baby grow up, and I'm just gonna feed one of my dogs some rat chicken, raw beef action. Now where is my dog? Where is Lucky? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I lost one. Didn't know where they went. Bit weird. I'll go mine for them. They probably went last. I probably opened the door and they. Oh no, that's not good. No, my airport. Dad.
Yeah?
Look what happened to my airport.
We're right there.
Oh. Well, lava blew up. Oh no, creepers are gonna get that in here. Oh no, what shall I do? It's gonna get night time. My airport.
Let's see.
Lava.
Oh man.
I was mining.
Okay, I can fix that.
And then
I can fix that pretty quick. You want me to do it right now?
if first let me throw my stuff down.
Don't do that. You don't want to lose, right?
I'm just throwing them down. Where did they go?
You don't like it. It's right there.
I'm lucky.
Wow, that lava really ate that away, huh?
You know, just like throw it over there. But first, I need to get this and get out of here. Don't you close me. Fine, I'll collect it. Need that. Yeah, oh yeah, I need that. Hey, this is why I don't want to get that. Let's see,
So you want to fix it later?
yeah, let's fix that later.
Okay.
What is that? I'm gonna go like fish. I'm gonna get my dog on leash. Now where is a fishing pool?
Search. Fishing small.
Here on these sticks.
Did you want to do the search thing and type it in? On the compass?
Yeah.
And type fish.
I want you to do it. I'm gonna do it here. The fishing rod. I need that in case I lose my doggies. Yeah, just like my fishing rod. Stand one of my dogs. Up. What? Hey. Oh. Here. I'll give you speed. No. Shit. It's fishing rod. It's already. Just need to get on the leash. Whoosh. I can't get my fish rod on my dog. Yeah, let's just put that down. I'll go fishing.
Man, I'm doing really bad.
Okay, I get on. Go to the landing. And the grand and you're just like pathetic. No, think it's gonna land on the ground and yes. I'm just gonna wait until he's up. Just let me fly up. I think I'm gonna land on the road. No, come on, please, please. Yes. No, I should have. Come on, please land on the road. Come on, back to the oh. You ready to see this thing? Okay, come on. Oh. Come on, please, please, please. Ah, I should go there. And I should do it. Give me. Yeah. Oh no. Yes. Now I'm good. Able. Come on, really. Yeah. Oh. I get her on the road. Yes. That was hard. Here, let me try it on my TNT plane. Here, I'm gonna try. Yeah. Oh no. But good. Come on. I don't want these zombies to get me. I'm gonna fish into but it's night. Oh yay, I think I'm gonna get on.
That's awesome.
That's a lot of string.
Yep.
And I'm just gonna woo! Come on, come on. Oh yes! That was pretty weird. They went from my house. Hurt myself. And I don't. This is survival. Whoa! Let me try to get first. I'm gonna get a thing. I'm running on the. Oh. Why? That's weird. Let me go over here. Ah. It's everything. Down there. Oh, come on, please, please. And yes. Oh. Oh, did I get it? Okay, that's my signal. Whee! Okay, I almost died. I thought I was good. Whoa! That was close. I didn't want to go in it. No! Funny. Go up here. My plan, Dad?
Contra. Whipping its booty.
His booty.
It's just a stupid booty game.
Oh, that's pretty one. So that's gonna go back. Let me just put it like that so it's yes! That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Very, very good. And please add on. Yes! Where should I am gonna see you later. Go on to the next episode. Bye! See you later.